Our planet is changing and the climate is becoming unstable. The past decade has seen some of the hottest temperatures ever recorded. With record-breaking fires, floods, and hurricanes. Our leaders are failing us with empty promises of cutting emissions. While corporations lie to us about going carbon neutral, greenwashing our futures away, even as they increase oil production. 60% of today's youth are suffering from climate anxiety. But what can you do? Solving the Climate Crisis is a community guide to solving the planet's biggest problem. Whether you are a stay-at-home parent, a student, a teacher, or a doctor, solving the climate crisis will show you how to make a difference. In your community, at your job, your university, or your church. When we combine these individual efforts, together we can change the world. We are fighting to save the planet, to build a sustainable future. Please join us. It could be the most important thing you ever do. Buy a copy of Solving the Climate Crisis at Amazon.com.